Next, kingdom Plantae. Salient features are the so first, the kingdom is dominated by autotrophs. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food material with the help of photosynthesis. So they are called as the autotrophs. The plant also includes some semi-autotrophic members. The insectivorous plants like Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, bladderwort, as well as heterotrophic parasitic members like Cuscuta. So these plants feeds on insects or depends on insects. So the plants are called as the insectivorous plants. Next character, members of this kingdom are multicellular, having eukaryotic cell containing chlorophyll. So they are eukaryotic, means they have nucleus with nuclear membrane and other cell organelles, and they also contains chlorophyll pigment. With the help of chlorophyll pigment, they make their own food material. Then next character is, in plants, cell wall is made up of cellulose. So these are the pictures or diagrams of some insectivorous plants. Plants exhibit or show alternation of generation, that is life cycle has two distinct phases, means they shows sporophyte or gametophyte phase. Kingdom Plantae divided into two major groups. First one, cryptogamy or cryptogams, and second one, phanerogams or phanerogams, phanerogamy or phanerogams. So these are the salient features of kingdom Plantae. Next, kingdom Animalia. So salient features are the animals or the members are heterotrophs, means they depend on other organisms for their food material. So they are heterotrophs. Then they adapted or they shows holozoic nutrition. Then most of them have capacity of locomotion, means they shows movement from one place to another place. So they shows locomotion. They are multicellular eukaryotes. Then cells in animals lack chlorophyll as well as cell wall. Then growth is determinate. Growth is determinate, means follow definite pattern. So these are some pictures or diagrams of examples of kingdom Animalia. So next topic or next organisms are acellular organisms, or topic is viruses. So viruses were named first by Louis Pasteur, considering the meaning venom or poison. These are obligate parasites. Thus, being an infectious soluble agent, he called the filtrate as Contagium vivum fluidum. It was scientist Stanley who demonstrated that viruses are inert outside the host cell and can be crystallized. So they are made up of protein, or they shows nucleocapsid structure, means nucleic acid is covered with the protein coat. So here the diagram or structure of virus. So viruses lack their own cell machinery, or cell system or cell machinery is absent in viruses. They have protein coat capsid around nucleic acid strand, thus considered to be a cellular organisms. Viruses are inactive outside host cell, but once they enter their specific host cell, they take charge of cellular machinery of host cell and duplicate themselves. So they are autonomously duplicate, or they can make their duplicate copies in the host body. Viruses thus can be called infectious nucleoprotein particles. Then what are the types of viruses? So as per genetic material, viruses are grouped as DNA or RNA viruses. So viruses have either DNA or RNA as their genetic material, but never both DNA as well as RNA. So on the basis of genetic material DNA or RNA, they are grouped into DNA or RNA viruses. Now here are the pictures or diagrams of types of viruses or shape of viruses. So shapes or types are helical, polyhedral, spherical, complex. So diagram or picture shows the types of viruses. So protein coat are called capsid, is made up of smaller units called capsomeres. So capsomeres are arranged in polyhedral or helical forms. Capsid protects genetic material. So genetic material in viruses is either single stranded RNA, ssRNA in short, or single or double stranded RNA, dsRNA, or double stranded RNA, or double stranded DNA or dsDNA. So viruses that infect bacterial cells are called bacteriophages, which normally have double stranded DNA. So these are pictures or diagram of T4 bacteriophage or bacterial viruses. So viruses cause disorders like leaf curling, yellowing, mosaic formation, etc. in plants. So in this way they causes different diseases in plants. Then foot and mouth diseases in animals or swine flu are viral diseases. Also smallpox, mumps, herpes to common cold, viruses are the causative agents of many diseases in humans. The list includes HIV. So HIV disease caused due to HIV name viruses. So another examples are H1N1 virus, then recent virus is COVID-19 or Ebola virus. So these are some example or names of viruses. Then next viroids. So viroids are the single stranded RNA which lacks protein coat. So single stranded RNA molecules which lack or which do not show protein coat. So such microorganisms are called as viroids. So first, Theodor Diner in 1971 reported that this is low molecular weight RNA and smaller in size than viruses. So these infections RNA strands are called viroids. So PSTV or potato spindle tuber viroid is the example of viroids, and viroids are the pathogenic species which causes different diseases in plants. So different types of plant diseases are related with the viroids. So this is all about the viroids and viruses.